Today is November 6th. I'm working on making the floor stiffer. So right now I'm on the second floor. So the goal is to stabilize the floor with strutting. So here is the floor below where I was just upstairs and trying to shake the floor. And what I'm doing is putting some herringbone strutting across the entire floor. It's 5 feet from the end on this side, and on this side I am not sure how far we're gonna go here, probably 5 feet again here, but then it doesn't really continuously go to the other side, so the other side is gonna have its own set going across this way. And we'll see how much I can get done, but probably I'm going to just do 2 sets for now, 5 feet from the edge, so that's gonna be 5 feet, and then about 7 feet in between, and then another 5 feet. So I will see how that works, and if I have to do another third set in between, I'll do that. This is where I am. I have not screwed this in yet, but just fitting it and making sure it's the right angle, and it looks good to me. I am leaving a little bit of a gap between them, so they're not gonna rub together when they do get activated from the weight up across. I'm finished with the strutting on the second level floor under it, and it's going across all the way through the dining room in this row. And then on the other side, because of all the wiring and plumbing, I did it in 2 parts, where I have a row here just for the living room, and of course it has to stop because the staircase beyond that. And then in the kitchen, I just picked it up approximately there, and my reasoning behind is that I had to avoid all the plumbing and some major wires running through here, so I picked that spot. It's pretty good. It's about halfway probably between that row and the end, perhaps. I don't know, I haven't measured it, but that's the best I could do. I may put some additional ones here just to strengthen these 3 where it's a high traffic area for the toilet. I may just do a partial row here between these 3 joists just to make that stronger, but that's it for today. So upstairs, the floor has definitely stiffened, I think. As far as walking on it, I think it's stiffer, but definitely supposed to add strength to the floor. So I might just do some here under this area just to make it a little stronger. that's it for today. The installation is done, except I realized we missed a spot here. So I'll finish this before I leave and then turn the heat on, because at night it freezes. See you next time.